So you want a Jeep, and you want to go off-roading, but not that much, so you don't need a Wrangler. And you still want the comfort of a Cherokee, but you don't really need a car that big. Well, the Jeep Compass Trailhawk might be just what you're looking for. And here in the pristine countryside of Tasmania, we're going to see how it handles the job. The Trailhawk is the range-topping Compass variant. Even though it's technically a soft-roader, it boasts a range of off-road equipment. Standard features include 3 tow hooks, off-road suspension, underbody skid plates and a full-size spare tyre. And although Jeep doesn't recommend venturing much further than a rocky gravel road, it's well enough kitted for a decent adventure. Our test car is also fitted with some extras, a panoramic sunroof, premium paint and a comfort and convenience pack. That brings our test car's price tag up to $50,145 plus on-road costs. The Trailhawk also has a steeped front end and a wading depth of 480mm, but we're not going to be testing that just here.
It's also fitted with Jeep's active drive low 4x4 system and select terrain with rock mode, which is surprisingly capable.
Inside the cabin, the Trailhawk isn't as luxurious as the slightly cheaper and road-focused limited variant, but it's still a nice place to be. Because it's optioned up, we've got leather seats that are heated for the front and a driver's seat that's electrically adjustable.
An 8.4-inch infotainment screen offers Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, digital radio and navigation. There's also plenty of USB and 12-volt power outlets for charging devices.
But where the Compass falls down is in the safety department.
A reverse camera, front and rear parking sensors and 7 airbags are standard. But active safety features like autonomous emergency braking and lane departure warning, you'll have to pay extra for those. Just as you will if you want adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring or rear cross traffic alert. Those features will cost another $2,500, but most buyers would expect those standard.
Under the Trailhawk's anti-glare bonnet is just one engine option. It's paired exclusively to a 9-speed automatic and low-range 4-wheel drive gearbox. It doesn't sound like much, but the 2-litre diesel feels good on the road. It's certainly not the quickest off the bat, but it does get the job done for a small SUV. We locked it in low for some of the more demanding driving, like our beach drive at Macquarie Heads, and I was really surprised at how competent it felt across the sand, especially being a first-timer. But the steering is a little vague, which means you'll probably be more comfortable on long sweeping bends as opposed to those tight hairpins that Tassie's famous for. There's not much else in its class that offers this much capability, and for 50 grand, it offers a pretty good case for itself. Well, this compass only points north. This compass will go wherever you point it.